Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about the visualization. How you can vision your goals, how you can see your from the visualization. So we have to understand first what is a visualization. Visualization is you seeing your vision as your goals in pictures. First, you have to have a goals in a clarity written on the piece of paper. Then you have to create that like a description, like a life script. So how you would be living or the things you'll be doing, you have to write it down. Like sort of you can start to see in pictures. So you have to really write down in the description, like say, imagine you are working around your business. So, business, the goals you're trying to achieve, and and you have to have that written on the goal card first, and then you have to create that whatever you have written your goals in the vision. Vision means in a life script in you have to write it down in the description with the emotions with the you can see what you would be doing once you have achieved that goal. It's already achieved goal. You have to write it down in emotions, the things you'll be doing. And say example, I'm working around my business. I am helping all around the world with the universal laws, the around the mindset, how the mind works, and the universal law. So I'll be writing all the description around how I wanted to see myself delivering this information, and then I have to write down everything. So what would be I'll be doing around that goal? So I have to paint a picture, and I'll be on the YouTube or on the live, and I'll be talking about the subject I want to talk, and share with the others the information. And so you have to see that vision uh, on your screen of your mind. What is that? Is the visualization. Visualization is you going to see your goals, your life script description in a vision, in pictures, painted pictures on the screen of your mind. You're going to use your higher faculties. Higher faculties means we have given tools like a will, the perception. Most of the time we are thinking negative because everything works according to the rules, everything works according to the universal laws. If we are visioning negative, we are seeing pictures in negative, and that's what we're going to create. That's what atmosphere going to be. That's what the environment going to be. So most of the time we are always picturing negative. So we have to think according to the universal laws as a positive. So positive means how you seeing yourself in painted pictures, the things you'll be doing for your family, your friends, your children, or for yourself, for the business. You have to paint that picture. You mean you have to write down in the description with the emotions. Then you can start to see that on the screen of your mind, because we think in picture. If I ask you what your front door look like, the picture gonna come on the screen of your mind. Or what your car look like, there's a picture gonna come on the screen of your mind, because we think in pictures. So start first, you have to start painting the picture on the piece of paper. Write all your goals, and then write down the description, the way you achieved goal, how you're going to live, the things you'll be doing, you'll be traveling, you'll be buying things, and the things you'll be doing with your children or family or your husband or your wife or your girlfriend or boyfriend, whatever. So you have to paint your picture on the piece of paper. So once you have done that, then when you're going to do the visualization, you have to close your eyes. On the screen of your mind, you have to start seeing these pictures. That's what we call a visualization. to use your will. Will is you putting all your focus on the pictures, on your vision, and then you have to use the perception. Perception means even things are not going right, and at the moment, and your circumstances are not going according to you, but you can change the perception the way you wanted to see, as a positive according to the laws. Start to see the picture the way you wanted to see as a positive, according to the laws, and keeps projecting these pictures on the screen of your mind, because once in the dark, you projecting these projects negative, means, this is, remember olden days we used to have camera. First we used to take the pictures on the reel, like a negative, we call a negative. So this is, it's the same process. We are projecting the picture on the screen of the mind, and then that picture we putting the will on it, that on the power. Like, this is how the reel used to develop. They used to go in the dark and they used to develop that reels to come that picture on the reel. And it's the same process. We are projecting, our mind is like a camera. So we are seeing the picture on the screen of the mind the way we wanted to see it, the way we wanted to manifest, the way we wanted to attract. We have to see it on the screen of your mind through your visualization. Your visualization is your will, your perception, and your imagination. You have to imagine it the way you wanted to see the picture, the way you wanted to live, the way you wanted to see your goals, achieved goals. So visualization is using your imagination. It's a lot of imagination. We are imagining things, we are seeing things, we're seeing the pictures on the screen or on the mind. So that is the visualization. So first you have to have a goal written in the description as a life script, the way achieved goals, the way you wanted to experience, the way you wanted to live or travel, or the way you wanted to use your whatever you achieved goals. And then you have to paint it the picture, like in the pictures you have to put emotions in the written formation, in a written script. You have to put your emotions, how you're going to feel achieved goals, already achieved goals. So once you have painted the picture in a written, in images, then you have to start to do your visualization every single day. You have to see, to project that vision, that pictures on the screen of your mind. And whenever you think about your goals, and the pictures are coming on the screen of the mind, because we think in pictures, we think in images. This is the reason we have to create the images. This is the reason we have to create the pictures. Then we can straightway can see the picture on the screen of mind. This is the reason we do the vision board, because then we are projecting these pictures on the screen of mind. And more we're gonna do that, more we're gonna manifest that. And that's what manifest is all about. But we have to do constantly, every single day, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. We have to stay on that screen of the mind with these pictures. So that is we call a visualization. Not just do it once and then you forget about it. It will happen, but it will take longer. But if you want something like faster, and then keeps projecting visualization, visualizing yourself on the screen of your mind, keep seeing the pictures, keeps putting your emotions on the pictures, and keeps feeling it, and definitely things going to start uh, to happen. So that's what it means. Sorry about that. Yeah, and definitely then you're going to see after 40 years or 45 days, you're going to see the change. You're going to see some signs coming to you. Then you get the sign, whatever you're trying to visualization, and you get help to do that, to complete that process. So that is what visualization. And visualization is a faster way to manifest things. So if you're working around your business or personal goals or professional goals, and using the visualization, you can start doing that, and keep doing every single day and few times a day, and definitely you're going to see the change. And do it according to the laws. Everything works according to the laws. And if you're doing against of the laws, and this is the reason people not changing their circumstances, they're not changing the what are the experience they're getting, because they're not working with the laws. We have to start working with the laws. Laws is either we think negative or positive, so we have to see the visions in a positive according to the laws. So that is the visualization. So hopefully this is going to help you, and this what I have learned from my mentor, and this what I shared with you, and this what I with my testimonial. I visualize many things, and it happened. It happened to me. I experienced that using my imagination. It manifest. Many things. I with my experience, I did that, and you can do the same. I'm the testimonial here because I have used it, my imagination, and I have used my will and the perception, and the way I did it, I did manifest just exactly the way I saw pictures on the screen of my mind, and you can do the same. So hopefully this is going to help you, visualization. And this what I have learned, this what I'm sharing with you. If you like the YouTube, please give thumbs up or leave your comments. Your comments, of course, going to help me ask question, asking question. You're gonna get the answers. People don't like asking questions, but asking question is very important, because this what I have learned. You have to ask question. The answers are always going to be there. People don't like, they hold back and they don't like asking questions, and nothing wrong with asking question. And so what do you think about the visualization? Are you doing visualization? How is working for you? What is a visualization for you? Please leave your comments. What do you think about the visualization? What is working for you? What is not working for you? So leave your comments, and then I can answer them. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. And hopefully you're going to start doing the visualization, vision of yourself, the image of yourself, using the imagination and the will and the perception. And definitely, if you keep painting that pictures in the images, if you keep seeing that these pictures, definitely you're going to manifest according to the laws. That is the secret. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.